Students of class 7, we have again come to do the textual question answers. Now, question number 2, complete each of the following sentences with details from the story. A. Harjeet's family had to leave India and come to Paris because this part I have supplied. Harjeet's father received a job offer in Paris. Second one, at the airport, Harjeet felt self-conscious when he noticed a boy staring at his turban. So this is the second question answer, a boy staring at his turban. Third one, Harjeet's father said that Harjeet would benefit from the experience in France and that rather than being scared, he should treat it as an adventure. So these are the two blanks that I have filled in with these words. The first night in Paris, Harjeet cried himself to sleep because he missed his grandparents and his friends. Now this one. E. The imposing metal building that Harjeet had seen on the way from the airport and in pictures in his new school was the Eiffel Tower, which had been originally built for a world exhibition to celebrate the French Revolution, but was now an amazing tourist attraction. So these are the answers to this question number 2. Now I am moving on to question number 3 that I have written here also. You can see, how did Harjeet realize that he had brought the wrong bag from the airport? As you all know that Harjeet had brought a wrong bag from the airport. Then how he realized that? Now in the answer I have written, in the first morning, Harjeet decided to look at the photos of his friends and family. He had brought photos of his friends and family from India in his bag, and he tried to open the bag and see those photos. But just as he began to unzip the bag, just when he tried to unzip the bag, he noticed that it had a small key ring attached to the zipper. So this is what he saw, a small ring attached to the zipper, which was not there in his bag. When he opened the bag, he found Indian icons inside. Inside the bag, he found Indian icons. From it, he learned, actually from the Indian icons that he found inside the bag, from it, he learned that he had brought the wrong bag from the airport. So this much is there in this answer. So what is the answer? I am repeating it again. In the first morning, Harjeet decided to look at the photos of his friends and family. But just as he began to unzip the bag, he noticed that it had a small keyring attached to the zipper, which was not there in his bag. When he opened the bag, he found Indian icons inside. So those Indian icons were inside, just like the Taj Mahal, Golden Temple, and many other things like that were there. From it, he had learned that he had brought the wrong bag from the airport. So this is the answer to question number 3. We will be moving on to question number 4 in the next class. Till that time, goodbye. Thank you.